Australia has some of the harshest weather on the planet, so your air conditioning better be built to handle it. That's exactly why we use Actron Air in all our residential installations. Hey, I'm Daniel from DMS Air Conditioning, and when it comes to choosing an air conditioning brand that delivers year after year, we stand by Actron Air. Here's why it's our go-to for Aussie homes. Made for Aussie conditions. Unlike other brands built overseas, Actron Air is made right here in Australia and for Australian weather. That means reliable performance in extreme heat and cold. Top tier efficiency. Their zoning systems and inverter technology are industry leaders, helping you save big on energy bills. Smart home friendly. Wi-Fi controls, sensors and remote access, all built in. It's comfort and convenience in one package. Local support you can count on. Because they are based here in Australia, support and parts are faster, easier and more reliable. When it comes to comfort, reliability, innovation, Actron Air stands out. And that's why DMS installs in every home we work on. Need help picking the right system? Reach out today, we'd love to help.